So, hello everyone. Another special package came in today, and I'm excited to have a look at this. Show you what I ordered. So let's go ahead. Let's figure out. So this is actually quite a nice item here, and I'm very excited to pick this up. From what I've seen, it's not in the best condition, but it was cheap. So, also a gift from my parents, this. My birthday is coming up soon as well. I'm happy that they got this for me, so that's good. Let's have a look here. He's in here. There he is. It is the Tomy Skarloey. This is so cool. I'm really happy. Oh, get out of there, big boy, huh? There we go. Okay, so his condition is questionable. He does not have any more side, or like his side plates are completely gone. His name used to be other side as well. He is a runner. A poor one at that. So I think this guy needs some work. I do notice that he's this guy was only 11 euros. He's also got a set of slipping wheels. Yeah, no, they said getting a Tomy Skarloey was cool, but mine's wheels are broken and his condition. Well, I do still really like this guy. He does run, but the moment you do apply pressure to him, his wheels just go flat. Yeah, so I think I do still have a set of these wheels laying around, so I'll have a look. But there's still a lot of stuff that needs to be done, so I'll grab a quick 10-minute fix, see if I can fix him up, and then come back to you. Okay, so here's the Skarloey test. About a very well working guy. Not. Yeah, there he goes. Just completely dead. Fuck you. Okay, after a 5-minute fix, giving out new traction tires, new set of wheels, a little bit of cleaning. He runs better now, so it's only appropriate to give him a running session. I'm also going to have Oliver be running with his new side rods. Not really new, but I fixed them by adding a screw in there. Douglas here is also going to be running, and I'm going to have Splatter and Dodge. Actually, I'm going to have Splatter running and Dodge just trail behind. So, yeah, let's send him on his way. By the way, I have a new layout. This is absolutely beautiful, in my opinion. It's very messy because of the amount of engines that are here. There's also a little snow section. Enough rambling, let's go. Okay, so there he goes in his bad condition that he is. There's Ollie, by the way, he's pulling up as well. Cool to see. A double shot right there. So having 4 lines on this track is awesome. Ah! What happened here, you guys? Come on. What are you thinking? Douglas, wait. Wait, bro, just wait. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Well, we're back. Oh my god, Splatter, come on. How did you fall on that? Oh, come on. But yeah, there's Skarloey. Oliver again running together with him. Yeah, so Oliver's side rounds are actually looking awesome now. Luckily, like they always intended to run. Oh, come on, bro. Oh, I gotta say, Skarloey isn't a bad runner now. After having done my fixes and what I needed to do. There, oh my fucking god, you guys are absolute pieces of shit. So as I was saying, Skarloey is actually starting to pick up some speed. I get that this guy hasn't been running probably a little while. And of course he's a Tomy, so there's a huge chance that he has some issues. Oliver, splatter and dodge, he seems to derail the whole time. And Douglas is doing just fine. I want to see what happens here. So he goes through. Oh, and now you make it? Never mind. Fails right here on the switch. Okay, so yeah, Skarloey. It's a nice model, even though I had to fix him. And I was sort of scanned since I did not know about this issue. I did know that he was in a little bit worse condition, but I didn't expect it to be this bad. Also, yeah, his wheels that were broken. Sort of annoying, but you know what? It is what it is. And luckily I had some spares from other Trackmaster models. So, yeah. Now that concludes it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for 400 subscribers. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Oh, big crash. Alright, this is update number 3. This is posted without a mic, so bear with me here. I gave him some fresh WD-40 to get him back on track. Since he made his motor made some awful noises, so I decided to do that. Let's see him go. He runs a lot better. I need to say that he is now awesome. I mean, absolutely. Of course, you can see him coming over there. Over passing by. Look at that. This is just way better. And I recorded some videos of the strip wheel as well. That's to sort of have a comparison. Which I might put at the end of the video here so that you guys can have a look. Or I might put that in between. Who knows? But we're gonna go. I mean, it's still looking awesome. I need to say. Running better now. It's just so unfortunate with the side plates, but there's nothing to do with that. Alright, so that was just the rear. The rear this time. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. This is the final hill climb test for Skarloey with the WD-40. Oh yeah, well done, bro. Better, a lot better.